So let's talk about how easy it is to put something like this onto pretty much any machine in the industry.
No problem. So I, being somebody in sales and not in the field, have installed one of these in less than half an hour.
That's saying
a mechanical installation, and that's easy. That's saying something. Electrical, I won't touch, but mechanical for sure.
All right, Eric, we've had videos where we literally go, filtration, and walk off camera, and we've had videos where we go in depth about the importance of our lungs and adapting the correct filtration units with little to no maintenance and ease of adaptation, whether it be from the perspective of the end user or the perspective of a dealer. And I know we want to take some time today to kind of convey that message again to the audience, which is, it is really easy to work with AeroEx technologies, whether on the level of adapting to any machine across the planet or directly through dealers. You guys are incredibly good at working with everyone when it comes to filtration, which oftentimes isn't the most exciting subject, but we make it that way.
That's right. No, thanks, Tony. So here today, we're actually at Elliott Matura, one of our longest lasting distributorship partners. And we've done a lot of work with Elliott Matura collaborating on integration for their machines, whether it's Matsura's, Nakamura's, Robo Drills. We've made our Misfit specifically very modular so that when a new model comes out or there's a change in the design, we're able to change with it, evolve with it, and work with the wonderful service team of our distributors to make it happen and make the installations very, very easy for them.
So let's talk about how easy, right? I mean, we all say easy, and then someone goes, well, what's easy to you is maybe not as easy to me. So let's talk about how easy it is to put something like this onto pretty much any machine in the industry.
No problem. So I, being somebody in sales and not in the field, have installed one of these in less than half an hour.
That's saying something.
A mechanical installation, and that's easy. That's saying something. Electrical, I won't touch, but mechanical for sure.
That, for me, that conveys a really nice message because you immediately said, I'm in sales and I can do this, right? So imagine what somebody qualified can do.
That's right.
At the same time. So I also want to talk about, for someone who's interested in the potentials, and we're at Elliott Matura today, but the interested in the potentials of working with AeroEx, what's the best way to go about it? And when it comes to conversations, something might be new to someone else. So what they say is, what's chaos to the fly is normal to the spider, right? So what might be new to someone else is every day to you. So I would like to take the moment to create a confidence in a new partner that might be out there and say, well, this is how easily it is to work with AeroEx technologies.
Absolutely. So we can be contacted in many different ways, whether by email, you can send me a message on any of the social media platforms. And as you said, what's chaos for one and what's norm for the other, it is absolutely normal to us to work with new customers, integrate on new machines. And if you haven't had the experience of working with us, feel free to reach out. Our technical team will connect with you, send you drawings, blueprints, absolutely everything that's needed for you to integrate into your machines.
I like it, Eric. And the last thing I kind of want to close with this is that, let's say traditionally, this has more or less been an afterthought. Okay, we think about our machine, we think about our tooling, we think about our work holding, we think about the possibility of automation, we think about our coolant, we think about all of these things, and oftentimes this gets left on the back burner, which now, because it's so easy to use, so easy to adapt, and little to no service can be just one of those things where we go, great, I can breathe better, and I don't have to worry about it.
Absolutely. So as an outsider to the industry, this makes sense. But, you know, a lot of the industry isn't used to having a clean work environment. And I feel like we're evolving, and we're evolving quickly for multiple reasons. First, over the last 3 years, everybody's had a bit of a concern with, you know, what does breathing at work, what am I breathing in at work, and how that impacts my health, my lungs. That's one. Number two, we're trying to attract a lot of new talent, right? This industry definitely needs new talent. And when, you know, as a young professional, when I'm looking for a shop to work in, if one is a misty, dirty, oily shop and another one is a nice, clean environment, I know which one I'm going to choose.
Nothing else needs to be said, I don't think. I absolutely agree with that. Coming from a machinist background myself, the decision's easy. And when it's as easy as you guys have made it, yeah, AeroEx.com, give these guys a shout, talk with Eric. Whether you're a dealer of machines or an end user, this will make your life easier and better. And you
Absolutely.
can breathe again, breathe again.
We're here to help.